Fruits are fun and good to eat, so juicy, colorful, and sweet. Red, green, purple, yellow too. Let's find out what fruits can do. Bananas hanging in a bunch, perfect for a monkey's lunch. Peel it down and take a bite, soft and sweet, a yellow delight. Crunchy apples, red and green, the yummiest snack you've ever seen. One a day keeps you strong, take a bite and sing along. Oranges are round and bright, filled with juice and pure delight. Peel them slow or squeeze some juice, they're healthy and have many use. Grapes grow in a jiggly bunch, great for snack or lunchbox crunch. Green or purple, big or small, one by one I eat them all. Strawberries wear little seeds, soft and red and full of feeds. With whipped cream or in a shake, they're a treat that's fun to make. Mangoes golden, smooth and sweet, summer's joy and sticky treat. Slice it up or slurp the juice, tasty fun with zero excuse. Pineapples with spiky crown, tropical king in every town. Yellow rings that make you smile, tart and sweet, so full of style. Watermelon big and round, juicy pink with seeds all around. Take a slice on sunny days, messy fun in many ways. Papaya's orange, soft and wide, with tiny seeds all tucked inside. Good for tummies, smooth and light, morning fruit that feels just right. Kiwis fuzzy brown on skin, green inside with seeds so thin. Scoop it out with tiny spoon, it's like eating stars and moon. Cherries dangle red and round, hanging from trees close to the ground. Pop one in and taste the cheer, cherries bring the summer here. Pomegranate full of ruby seeds, tiny jewels for all your needs. Crunchy burst in every bite, a treasure box of pure delight. Peaches fuzzy, soft and sweet, dripping juice and summer heat. In a pie or all alone, it's the fruit with royal tone. Blueberries tiny, round and blue, full of magic, good for you. Toss them in your oats or bake, or just eat them for goodness sake. Coconuts are tough to crack, but inside there's a milky snack. Drink the water, eat the meat, island fruit that can't be beat. Fruits are fun and good to eat, so juicy, colorful and sweet. Now you know 15 today. Sing this song and shout hooray!